Market research is the fundamental starting point for any business before committing to going all in on any product, service or business development. Many companies skip this step, then spend time questioning why the product or service isn't selling. I will give you 4 areas that you can take action on without spending any money. Hi, my name is Steve Welsh and I've been managing and marketing businesses for over 28 years. Welcome to my channel where I help businesses and entrepreneurs navigate marketing online, managing your business for growth and using the latest technology to reach customers. When it comes to market research, there are 4 areas to focus on for a new business, product or service. The key areas are knowing your customer, understanding your competitors, keyword research, and social media searches. Step 1 is knowing your customer. Whatever the business, product or service you're selling, the first step is researching your potential and current customers. Gather as much relevant data on the age, sex, their financial position, family circumstances, type of job they do. What problems and issues do they face that require your product or service? Identify whether you can make repeat sales or is the purchase a one-off. This is important when it comes to creating a marketing strategy. If you're an established business, knowing the lifetime value of a customer also makes excellent business sense. If you know how much revenue an average customer is worth to your business, you can make decisions on how much to spend on marketing to get that customer. You should also check your website analytics for the crucial information that will help you in the next phase, your marketing strategy. Information such as what percentage of visitors to your site use a PC, tablet, laptop or mobile. What pages are visited most and what search terms they used to find your business. Another area you can utilize is asking questions, whether this is on social media or in the form of questionnaire. Questionnaires can serve as data collection. For instance, giving a voucher to complete the questionnaire will get the survey answered and also provide you with data of potential new customers. You can also use vouchers and questionnaires as an instant follow-up to a purchase. If you have an engaged audience through email or social media, you can ask questions or set a poll. Step 2 is understanding your competitors. There are certain times of business that you need to know what your competitors are doing well and how they market their business. There are also times when this gets in the way of focusing on your business growth. However, in terms of market research, it's fundamental at this stage to know how healthy your competition is. How big is their business in comparison to yours? What is their reputation? What is their differentiator or USP? How do they present themselves online? Can their website be viewed easily on different size screens, for instance desktop, laptop, tablet and mobile? What you're trying to identify is where they are better than you and how you can improve those areas of your business and marketing. You're also trying to identify your unique angle on how your product or service, the USP, is different or unique. The days of nice, honest, professional people and companies being a valued selling point are over. Every customer expects you to be all of those things as a minimum. What we're looking for is a real tangible difference between you and your competitor. And I don't mean price. Differentiating yourself on price has only one outcome: reduce margins that will continue to decrease for you to compete. Delivering benefits and value is the secret to your USP. Describing the added benefits of doing business with your company, showcasing why your product or service is more valuable in solving their problem or need. Step 3 is keyword research. Keyword research is a fundamental part of marketing your business online. Keywords and keyword phrases are everywhere. Search engines use keywords to display search results, and social media platforms use them in areas such as hashtags. Advertisers use them in targeted adverts, and customers use them when they're looking for information, whether they're aware of it or not. There are several simple ways to carry out keyword research for free. The first place to start your keyword research online is use Google search for customers and competition, or your current search engines such as Bing, Yahoo or Outlook. Typing phrases related to your product or service in the search bar will begin to show you other similar search results that users type in. What you're looking for are search terms that your customers will use to find your product or service. Identifying the search terms customers use to describe their problems and also the solutions. The same applies to search queries for competitors. What you're looking for is when you use the search terms just mentioned, do your competitors show up on the first page of the search results? If they do show up for specific search phrases, it's worth diving deeper by clicking the link. What does the web page or post talk about? What is its URL? Does it use the search phrase in titles and content? Do you have a page or post like it using the same criteria? If not, create one. Otherwise, you're not competing for that customer's search term. What you're looking for is a list of similar ways to defining a search request. If you were selling dog biscuits, for instance, you could search for dog biscuits, dog food, feeding your dog, best diets for dog, or most popular dog biscuits. As you can see, there is a multitude of different phrases applicable. Also, all of them and more are searched for online. The final thing to search for is backlinks on competitors' web pages and posts. Backlinks are one of the top 10 of over 200 ranking factors that search engines use to place pages and posts high in search rankings. Try typing, and I'll show you on the screen, link competitorsname.com or .co.uk, whatever it may be, into Google to find out how many other sites link to your competitor's website. And finally, social media searches. If your customers and competitors are online, they will most certainly be on at least one social media platform. Social media is a great place to find out what customers are talking about, what problems and issues they face, and what solutions they are looking to buy. Whatever social media platform you choose, search for competitors first. When you find competitors, follow them to see what they are talking about and what their customers are saying. On specific platforms, you can search for hashtags. Hashtags can be the same as keyword research and can either be a product, service, industry related, or problem related. You can also join groups on several social media platforms. Groups will also notify you of conversations that peers, competitors, and customers have. You can ask questions in groups that will identify areas that users have been let down by a competitor. Don't phrase the question in such a way that you're calling out or attacking a competitor. So in summary, you now have enough information about who your customers are, what their problems are, and your unique proposition. Also, what technology to target when marketing. Now that you've gathered all this data and understanding of where your product or service fits, it's time to take the next step and use it. So look out for my next video where I'll be showing you how to create a marketing strategy. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up. If you want to support the channel, click subscribe and then the bell icon, and YouTube will tell you when the next video is published. Until then, stay safe and here's to your success.